Welcome dear student, myself Bagal SN, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Karmveer Bhaurao Patil Mahavidyalay, Pandharpur. Today I am going to teach BSc 3, paper number 11. Paper name is Plant Physiology, unit name is Mineral Nutrition. What means by mineral nutrition? Mineral nutrition is defined as the naturally occurring inorganic nutrient found in the soil that is essential for the proper functioning of plant body is called as mineral nutrition. Mineral nutrients are mainly two types. First is macronutrient and second is micronutrient. What means by macronutrient? Macronutrients are required by the plant in relatively large amounts is called as macronutrients. And micronutrients. Micronutrients are required only in small amount is called as micronutrient or also called as minor or trace elements or nutrients. Firstly, macronutrients. Macronutrients are various types of macronutrients such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur. These are macronutrients. And micronutrients. These are the micronutrients. Iron, copper, zinc, boron, molybdenum, manganese, chlorine. These are the micronutrients. Discuss about the one by one macronutrient. Main macronutrient, what is the role or what is the function of macronutrient? First, nitrogen. Functions of nitrogen. Nitrogen promote growth of leaves and stem. Also gives dark green color and improve quality of foliage. Foliage mean leaves. Nitrogen also important role play in develop cell protein and chlorophyll pigments. These are the roles or functions of nitrogen. What is a deficiency symptom of nitrogen? Firstly, sick yellow green color. Second, short stem, small leaves, play colored leaves and flowers. Also third one is slow and dwarf plant growth. These are the deficiency symptoms of nitrogen. Also nitrogen deficiency causes yellowing color leaves are occurred and that terms is called as chlorosis. These in this diagram shows the deficiency of nitrogen. These colored leaves colored are yellowing. Next, second is phosphorus. Functions of phosphorus. Phosphorus stimulates early formation and growth of root. It provides for faster and vigorous growth and speed or maturity. Mainly phosphorus mainly play role in the plants or flowers are provided the maturity. Next, stimulate flowering and seed development. Also important role play in phosphorus in enzyme actions of many plant process. These are the functions or role of phosphorus. Next, deficiency symptoms of phosphorus. First, decrease in growth, slow maturity, older leaves are purplish color. When the absence of phosphorus, slow maturity occurred. See in this diagram, the absence or deficiency of phosphorus play in brownish colored leaves are occurred. Third one is potassium. Potassium is functions of potassium. First, used to form carbohydrates and proteins. Second, formation and transfer of starches, sugars and oils. Also, increasing disease resistance, vigor and hardness. These are the functions of potassium. Also, potassium play work in the stomata closing and opening. What is the deficiency symptom of potassium? First, mottled, spotted and streaked or curled leaves. Second, burn, dead leaf tip and margins. Also, shortening node and internode is the deficiency or symptoms shows the potassium. In this diagram shows the deficiency of potassium. Next, calcium. Functions of calcium. Calcium improve plant vigor. Also important play calcium is intake and synthesis of other plant nutrient. Calcium mainly play important role in cell wall. Plant cell wall made up of cellulose. Also, plant cell wall is consist of a outer and middle cell wall, and calcium is important play role in the middle cell wall. This diagram shows the deficiency symptom of calcium. Next, magnesium. Functions of magnesium. Magnesium influence the intake of other essential nutrient. Also, magnesium important cofactors in constitute of chlorophyll. Assist in translocation of phosphorus and fats. These are the functions of magnesium. Next is deficiency symptom. Interveinal chlorosis occurred in the deficient of the magnesium. Yellowing of leaves between green veins. Next, leaf tips curl or cup upward. Slender and weak stalks. These are the deficiency symptom of magnesium. The diagram shows in deficiency, magnesium deficiency. Thank you.